Your HP Smart Tank printer may suddenly stop connecting to Wi Fi, refuse to respond correctly, or continue showing setup problems even after restarting it several times. Many users also choose a factory reset when changing networks, reconnecting the printer to a new device, or clearing previous settings completely. Sometimes the printer still powers on normally, but saved configurations continue causing printing or connection issues. A factory reset can help return the HP Smart Tank printer back to its original settings by removing saved network details and refreshing internal configurations. Before changing random settings repeatedly or reconnecting the printer over and over, these are the steps you can try to fix this and factory reset the HP Smart Tank printer properly. Turn on the HP Smart Tank printer and make sure it remains connected to power throughout the process. 2. Locate the control panel buttons and access the reset or wireless settings for your printer model. 3. Press and hold the required button combination until the printer lights respond differently. 4. Allow the HP Smart Tank printer a few moments to restart and clear saved settings automatically. 5. Set up the printer again through the HP Smart app or Wi Fi connection to confirm everything works normally.